Hey, Luca. How are you?
I'm not fine.
What is the problem? Thought you said you'd be leaving for the city this morning. Or is there anything you need?
I've come to see you for two reasons. First is, I was robbed today of all the money on my way to the city.
What? How come?
I don't know. I was just ambushed and the money taken away from me.
Really? Gee, I hope you know it's 2 million we are talking about. Have you done anything? Have you reported to the police?
No, I have not. I'm still looking to see what I will do about it, to see if I will have any clue as to get those people. But if I'm not able to do anything about it, I'll take it to Agweme deity. And whoever took that money will not live to enjoy it.
It's okay, do whatever you want to do to recover that money. Because don't forget, I lent you that money. Alright?
Yes. The second thing is that I heard that you asked for the hand of my girl in marriage.
And who is your girl?
Anita, the daughter of Onyuke.
Well, I didn't know she's your girl.
She is. She and I have been dating for quite some time now, and we're even planning on getting married. I really do appreciate your help and the assistance. That is why I came to see you and to talk to you. I appreciate it very well, but I'd love for you to just leave her alone. Leave her for me. She's the only thing that makes me happy in this world.
Are you mad? No, you heard me clearly. Are you stupid? So you came to my house to tell me that Anita is your girl. What's that supposed to mean? Can you imagine this idiot I'm trying to help his life? Eh? Looks like they haven't told you who I am, right? They haven't told you that I'm a mad person. Don't let me start with you. My friend, get out of this place. Mogo.
I will go, but please, from your ranting, it's obvious you have not heard about me. I'm sure you haven't heard about me too. But I have come in peace this time to beg you to stay away from her. The next time I visit on this issue, it will not be like this. So I'm begging you, let us respect ourselves and know our boundaries. Stay away from Anita.
Get out of my house now. Fool. Fool. Can you imagine this move? I don't have anything to tell you now until I wait for the money and lend you. That's when you know the kind of person I am. Miserable fool. Okay? Okay. Fetch me Osita now. When I mean now, I mean now. Nonsense. Nonsense.
2 million naira. You mean you gave someone 2 million naira? Who was that?
Father, honestly, I feel bad right now, man. Some ungrateful bastards everywhere. This one stupid mogul I was trying to help. I was trying to better his life, to start up his business again. Now I'm regretting it.
Look, I told you I don't like this idea. Do you know that one could have come here to lie so that he wouldn't pay you back that money? Eh?
Is he mad? He dare not try me. Of course you know what I can do. He dare not try me. He must pay me my money.
Oh, calm down, son, calm down. Who is the boy?
It's that boy, look out. That boy that came to report to you yesterday. How brazen. He came here to warn me to stay away from the woman I'm trying to marry. Secondly, that the money I lent to him, that armed robbers took the money away from him. I don't know if he's trying to abscond from paying the money back.
That boy must be stupid. Let him not arouse my anger. He shouldn't make me react, because if I do, he will go back to the gutters where he belongs. Who is he calling his girl? Stupid church rats like him. Poverty stricken. What? The gods. Can he even maintain the girl?
You know, ask him, Mom. Someone that can't even feed himself, he is thinking of a woman.
Wait. Let me get something straight here. You mean the same boy you bailed out from police station has something to do with Chiffon UK's daughter?
Oh yes, that's what the mogul came here to tell me. But don't worry, that's not a problem.
It's a problem, son.
He's a rat, Dad.
It's a problem. Yes. Because I don't want anyone to raise army or pose a threat to the children I'm about to ascend. I have heard so much about that boy. Bring him here so we can sort things out.
Mama, my mother down and car. Instead, heads will roll. I will kill somebody on this one.
You will not, oh. You will not kill anybody. Hey, look, what we should be thinking now is how to get to the root of the 2 million naira robbery. Anita will not be my problem. And I will not die because of her.
This is not your fight, Mama. Leave it to me. I will go first in to the priest of Agweme Shrine and report. I will get to the root of it.
It's again.
Yes.
Ginonye. Which Agweme?
Nkema.
What is wrong with you? Eh? Do you know the consequences of going there to report?
Jomima.
Hey, look, Biko. If you cannot report this matter to the police, and just let them go with the money, Biko. Leave it.
Eh?
Yes, Eloka. Mama is right. That place you're talking about is very dangerous. Both the accuser and the accused is not safe. Oh. Ask me. I will say Ubika knows what happened to that money.
Me too. Yes. I am suspecting that boy.
I had my own suspicions too. But then, he's even supporting me to go any length to make sure I recover that money and get to the root of it. So how can he have anything to do with it?
Don't mind them. He knows about that money. Biko, if you ask me, just let it go, Biko.
Let it go. 2 million naira, Mama, let it go. Where would I get the money to pay that? You know he was the one that lent me that money. When he comes asking for his 2 million naira, how do I pay that? It's him, let it go. I will get to the root of this matter. 2 million naira, Mama.
You are right. But I'm begging you, do not go to Agweme. Please.
Okay, I've heard you. That is not my worry now. My main issue now is Anita, my love. Instead of anybody to... I will die for her love.
Nothing will happen. You will not die. Ebuka, you will not die before me. God forbid. Ne, let's go inside. As for Anita, let Obika take her. I'm happy about this sex. Please come inside.
What? Why did you do it?
Calm down. I know what I'm doing. Eh? I know what I did. Don't worry, there's nothing to worry about.
No, I have to worry. Because he said something about going to
Agweme Shrine. Exactly, he will not even try it. He will not dare. Because even his mother will not allow him to do that. If you go to Agweme Shrine, even the reporter and the reportee are in trouble. So he will not even try it.
Even at that, he's threatening me. I want to strike at this point.
Bam. Don't strike now. Don't strike. Don't strike yet. I still have plans.
But seriously, Osita, this wasn't our agreement. What we agreed on was giving this guy some money for him to leave this village. Once he leaves this village, then I will have this girl all to myself.
We are still on point. We are still on point. That's why I told you. When you see the no, I know what I'm doing. Eh? Listen, let me tell you now. As it is now, the only thing you have to think about now is to try and go and pay her bride price today and tomorrow. And another thing you will do, he has lost 2 million. He has lost 2 million. The only thing you have to do now, you also. You start demanding for your money. Also, by the time you demand your money, demand for your money, use force, because he's supposed to pay you the money back. Use it to ask him for your money. He will be on the run. While he is running, you are busy paying Anita's bride price. Where will he get 2 million to give you back? Nowhere. He has sold Anita for 2 million. He didn't know. Can't you see?
Seriously, guy, you have a plan.
Sense you know.
You have a plan.
I'm too much.
That's what's up.
I'm too much.
Yes.
By the time you need to give him wrong. by now, he will be on the run. Exactly. By the time he's running, how will he have time to know where Anita is? Anita will be running here. Hey, I'm looking for money to pay back. Anita, go your way.
Even the money to pay back will be difficult.
Where will you get the money?
So which makes
he has used Anita to transfer.
On top.
you know another thing? Today and tomorrow, ginger up. Let's go and pay her bride price. If possible, this night.
Sure. That's what I would do. No, you could
By
have
the time you're paying her bride price, you have gotten the game.
Right?
Let's go 2 million charge. Let's go that girl charge for 2 million.
No,
he has sold the girlfriend for 2 million.
It's okay.
Hey, so you now have a job. So I'm telling you. See, I told you let's go, you refused. Now I'm going to be earning 20,000 naira.
That's small money. Nah, I am happy. I don't lack anything. As a matter of fact, this babe you are seeing here is going to put 100,000 naira into her account tomorrow.
What? Where did you get it from?
That's a question to answer another day. I don't care about any palace work. My brother is already working with Obika. So what else should I do than to sit here and enjoy the money while I walk my way into the university?
Are you serious? So
yes,
your brother now works with the prince to be?
Yes, so he cannot breathe without my brother. Nah. If I want to marry him tomorrow, all I need to do is to tell my brother and he will work it for me.
Wow. So that means if I want to get close to the prince now, I can go through your brother, Abi.
As what now? Aproko? As what? Begin to go your house. Get out from here! You want to share my man with me? Common palace mate. My friend, get out! See this one. You want to come and share Obika. Rubbish.
Papa, what do you mean? So I have to use that money, right?
Yes. You are not going to do that work. Let them go with their work. Since Ide wants to show me that I am nobody, then you will not do that work.
Papa, it's okay. Calm down. You don't have to be angry. He may have reason he gave Chief Onuke his own role. See, I even heard his son is asking for Anita's hand in marriage. Can't you see?
Oh, I see. So my own daughter is not good enough for his son.
Papa.
Yes. Are you not beautiful enough for Obika? Look at yourself. Take a very good look at yourself. Are you not good enough? Who do they think they are? Don't worry. I know who engineered all this. It is Angelina. Since she got well, everything changed. But we shall see. We shall see.
Oh, Papa, I have to go for that work. I promised Mama that I will go for work before she comes back from Omugo. 20,000 naira, Papa. It's a big money, oh. And since you know you don't have the money to send me to school, so let me go and make money and save.
If not for one thing, I will not let you do that palace work. Let them go with their work.
To go and take that money. 20,000 naira. Papa, that's a big money, oh. I won't let you go like that.
Obika, your mother is calling you.
What about the seat? When are they bringing it?
Let's say this evening.
Okay.
For everything will be ready. And in fact, let me call them and confirm to know where they are now.
That's all right.
Your Highness. Greetings, Your Highness.
How may I help you, young man?
My name is Eloka. You sent for me.
Oh, you're Eloka?
Yes, Your Majesty.
I don't think I've seen you before.
I don't think so, too.
Anyway, engineer, sir. I'm inside the house. Okay, sir. Eloka, come right here.
Yeah, what's up? Now we have everything on lockdown. You don't need to be scared. I am the king of this village. We are going to match him down. Alright? When I say move, you move. When I say stop, okay, you know what? That party, I'm gonna call you back.
I told Lucy to call you and she said you didn't open the door.
Because I didn't hear her.
What are you doing? We're doing this again in this house. You want your father to start yelling again?
I don't care. I don't like the way he spoke to me. I was so rude. Why would he talk to me like that? Why?
Is that how we should do this? That boy is here.
He's here.
Yes, that Eluka boy. He's speaking with your father right now.
It's time to end this.
Show him where.
Oh, I never knew you were this guy.
Your Majesty, I don't have any issues though. I'm not a problematic person. It's just that when you have refused to be exploited or cheated or used by certain people, they tag you difficult and give you all sorts of names. But let me ask Your Majesty, doesn't my grandfather have a right to his own portion of land? I mean, I know of a woman who had a child out of wedlock just like my mother did. But her son was given her own land. Why wouldn't they give me mine? They are busy telling me that my mother did not tell them who impregnated her.
Oh, that is inconsequential. Oh, well, calm down. At least seeing you has changed my opinion about you.
Thank you, Majesty. I'm not a difficult person. I'm an easygoing person.
What are you doing here, idiot? Have you come to report me?
Obika, stop that.
Get out of here now.
Leave! I said stop it!
No, Dad. This idiot has to leave here right now. Get...
Your Majesty.
Stand up and... Are you mad? You want me to...
You are doing all these things. You're just ranting and raving because you're in your father's mansion, right? Meet me outside and call me names and I'll feed your body to the vultures.
Go!
Come. Are you mad?
Get out of here.
Go here!
Get out of here.
How can he say this to my son? Oh, you want to get the to the vultures.
If I see you here again,
Angelina, you and your son should stop this.
Dad, you need to mind the kind of people you give audience to. Seriously. You need to be mindful of the kind of people you give audience to. That stupid boy is not one of them.
In fact, it is his body and his mother's body that will fed to the vultures.
Our father is here applauding him.
I think we have agreed to stop all this. Now
Let me see him here.
that I'm about to be crowned.
Why he insults us in our own house?
See my love.
Imagine that boy, Iluka. He had the guts to push me out of the palace.
It's okay, my dear. You need to take it easy. If not that he's the prince to be, can he even fight you?
Imagine. He did that because that was the palace. Let him try this outside and Python will swallow him.
It's okay, my dear. It's okay, my dear. It's okay, take it easy. please, let's go home. But please, when we get home, don't do as if there's a problem.
That I don't care. Whatever you want to say it. Alright? I do not care one bit. All your life you've never been on my side. Let's not pretend because we're about to become royalty. I do not care. I can walk out and nothing will happen.
I see. You have come back to your old ways. But listen. Listen and listen good. This time, if you dare me, you will see the other side of me.
Go ahead. Chief, I'm not happy. I am not happy. What is this? Why are you behaving like this? Is this one not your own son? Why would that boy come here and say all sorts of nonsense before us about our son? You didn't do anything.
Were you not here when your son called him bastard?
Of course, he's a bastard. I'm still saying it. He's a bastard.
Listen. Respect, they say, is reciprocal.
Yes, but is he not a bastard? All those people calling him bastard, what has he done to them? Has he fed their bodies to the vulture? Or is my own son that he fed to the vulture? I will refuse that one. But let me ask you, when will you be on the side of this your son? Or is he a bastard too? Is he not your child? Chief, you just making me angry. You're just...
Oh, Mom, take it easy.
Look, Lucy! Stop talking. It's okay. It's okay. I stand by my word. Stop talking. Lucy! Get water!
Breathe in. Down.
Where are you?
Anita, what are you really doing? This love I fight, is it really mine? Why is this girl my problem? Is Iloka cheating on me with that girl? Men cannot be trusted. I know that his mother doesn't love me. She wants that girl for Iloka. But what could make her hug him on the road, yet he didn't withdraw? God, why did you make me see this today? Look at the way she was holding him while they move. Anita, think. Don't regret this later. Should I confront him? He'll still cover up. I think Iloka is beginning to have double mind about me.
You didn't go again?
I did, but I didn't meet him.
Was the mother around?
Yes, she was. I left. I didn't want to stay with her.
Is this how you're going to get married to this guy? I mean, someone you cannot spend 1 minute with the mother. Sister, check her more. See, I am your sister and I will not deceive you.
Ma, Biko, please. Just let me be. I've had enough to deal with today. Don't add to it. I want to be left alone, please.
I should leave you alone?
But Torrenti, are you deaf? I said you should leave.
I'm not going anywhere. I want to stay here.
What is wrong with you, Ma? Okay, since you don't want to leave, it's fine. You can stay here. I'm going with you.
What is wrong with you? What do you mean you're going with me? Are you sick?
Hey, my friend.
If you're truly enjoying your money, is there something you're not telling me?
If I don't enjoy my brother's money, who will?
You mean your brother gave you all the money you used to buy all these expensive things? Or have you started doing... You know now.
Doing what? Eh? See, I don't have time for all these village boys. As far as my brother is giving me money, I am fine. It's like you don't know the kind of money my brother is making from Obika.
You mean Obika is giving your brother all the money?
Now, the last time my brother came here with almost 1 million naira, he gave me 100,000 naira to go and put into my account.
Are you serious?
I'm flexing. Check this one now.
You're not serious?
I'm serious. My brother. Obika can do everything for my brother.
Where's your brother now so that you come and give me my own...
My dear, they went to marry Anita, your co-lover.
Oh God!
You should thank your God.
Thank God! Mama will be so happy to hear this.
Even this one on my head.
I just... which one will you
very fine job. I will dash you.
Oh my God, I'm so happy. I can't wait to get
Thank you.
Papa, what is this? What is this? How can you lock us up in here? This is not even good for my makeup. Just open this gate now. What is this?
Your makeup will be okay. Just relax. I will not open this gate until I see Obika and the family.
Dad, please open this gate. Open it. See, we've been here since we finished taking our bath. You've been monitoring us this morning. This is not fair. And she's not going anywhere. I'm here with her.
Look, you have to manage it to both of you. You think I'm going to let you run away? No way. Is that not what you told me the last time? That you tried to run away? If not because Eluka lost his money, that's why you came back.
Father, I have told you that I am going to go on with this. I told you I'm going to do it just to make you happy. Why would you have to lock me up in here? For what?
Hold on. Yes, I've just heard this. The sound of a bed.
Father! Father! What is this now? Why are you doing this?
What is...
Father!
Mama! Mama! Mommy, oh!
Mommy, come.
How are you? I'm fine, Mama. Mama, guess. You know I'm not good at it. What is it? Mama, God has answered us. Really? Yes. So your brother is back from America? No, Mama. Mama, as I'm talking to you now, Obika is about to pay Anita's bride price. It's again. Hey! Obika is about to pay Anita's bride price. Yes. Nkoli told me that his brother is on his way there. So Anita is going to be Obika's wife. Better! Let him marry her off.
Ruby, I heard you. What did you say?
Nothing. How are you?
Don't lie to me. You said Obika is going to pay Anita's bride price? Not when I'm still alive.
Hey, Timo! Eloka! Mama, leave him. He cannot do anything now.
Hey, Timo, I forgot. Mama, we shouldn't have shouted to his hearing.
You're right, but let him go. There's nothing he can do now. Before he gets there, everything will be over. Everything will be done. I'm sorry.
My daughter Anita, I have received your bride price in peace.
At least now I'm happy that the royal stream will now begin to flow to my compound. My daughter, let's do it again. Take this drink to the man who has paid your bride price. So that we the elders can go ahead and begin to do it.
The future queen of our land.
My niece. Hey!
Ichionyuke, this was not our agreement too.
Hey, Luka, we cannot discuss that now, please.
Anita, you do this to me?
Luka, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Now I want to ask your daughter, what makes you think that she will leave a dripping prince like me to marry a bastard like you?
Hey! Hey! Hey, Luka! Hey, Luka! Hey, Luka!
Chief, what is wrong with you? Why are you sounding like this? What are you talking about? Please allow me to wait for my daughter-in-law in peace.
Angelina, I don't like this. We needed to sort things out. I feel hot deep inside me that I am doing bad to someone else out there. That boy must not lose everything.
Why do you care about this boy so much? Why do you bother about this boy? Were you part of his kinsmen that took over his land from him? Oh, does it mean my son will not like a girl he picked in this village? Meanwhile, you are the one that has been on his neck to pick a wife. Now he's gotten a wife. I know.
I know. It's okay. It's okay.
Anyway, it's not anybody's fault that the money my son gave him, he lost it. You don't even see anything wrong in it. Just leave me alone.
Are you serious? Nkoli told you this?
Yes, Mama. What do you think Osita did for Obika? That he will give him 1 million naira.
Now we know the truth about what happened to that money. What? No. Osita must be arrested.
No. No, Mama. Obika has money. You will back him up. I want to use style and get more information from him. Look at his back.
Anita will see. I will curse her. I will curse her. We shall see.
Nah. Is it true?
It is true, oh Mama. How can Anita treat me like this? What did I ever do to her? As for that boy, he was lucky I did not get him with the second blow. He would have been in the mortuary by now.
It's again. So you went there to fight?
What did he have?
Hi! Iloka! What is wrong with you?
Hey!
I'll kill that boy. I will kill him. Mom, he took me unawares. He took me unawares. I will kill him.
Jesus, I will not take this. I will not take this. That boy must come here now. Let me give him my own side of the punch. Let him come here.
Yo, what's up? Everything is not cool, man. I'm talking from the other side of my jaw. Where are you guys? Oh, excelente. Just pull over close to the Catholic Church right now. I'm waiting for you guys now. Get your ass now ready. It's about to get lit now.
Obika.
It's about to get lit now.
Obika, why not wait? Let me handle this.
Chief, that boy must come here now. You see, that boy is simply a bag of trouble. That boy is a son of trouble, but he will see. Angelina will show him. He will see trouble. Okay,
I don't know what is wait. I do not understand the English called wait. Allow me to do this my own way, Dad. I will... Oh shit. My teeth is shifted. I will deal with him my own way. I will deal with him. He dare it.
Don't take laws into your hands. I will handle it.
Today, Eluka will see the other side of me in this village.
Dad, please, please. He was wrong, yes. But please, it's okay. Eh? That's it. If you arrest him, you'll be the one to bail him. Oh. Let's Dikeh handle this, please.
No! I won't let Ide do this. I will take care of it. After all, it happened in my compound. Why is this number not going?
Okay, Dad, please. Go to the mother and tell her what he did, please.
No, I will not go to the mother. Why should I? When I arrest him, she will come look for me. Please hold on. It is ringing.
Hey, Inspector Bello. Yes, my friend. How are you?
It is me, Chief Onyuke, of Amagu village. Yes, thank you very much. And please, Inspector, I have a little problem. Yes, I caught a thief. Yes. Please send me 2 of your boys. Let them come fast to Amagu. Yes. Please. Yes, my house. You know my house now. Yes, I'm waiting.
Hey, look, I will not hear. What kind of wahala is this now? Dad, please, please.
Look, let me go outside the gates and wait for the policeman. I will teach him a lesson.
Dad, please. If you arrest me, we don't obey him more. Hey.
Why did you do that? Punch my son? When I've already assured you that I'm going to handle it and make you happy.
It was anger. I didn't know what I did.
Anger, you dirty bastard! How dare you lay your filthy hands on my son? In Apuala, are you mad?
Allow me to handle this, please.
I will not allow you to handle anything. I will not allow you to do anything. How are you mad at my son?
I'm going to do this now. Okay,
it's
okay. You mad? Are you? I said leave me alone. Leave me, Osita.
Allow me to handle this.
Kneel down. I said kneel down.
Osita.
Kneel down.
Allow me to punch this idiot in the face again.
I said, give me this boy over here. You mad?
Allow me to handle this.
If you should be cool enough at the police station, you idiot.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
It's
okay. Allow me to handle this.
Obika, stop now. Stop.
Obika, it's okay.
Allow me.
Honey?
Hey.
Yeah, come. What? Where are these boys?
Mama.
Brother, come. Get the car immediately.
Mother.
Get the car.
Mom. Hold him.
Hold this man.
When will I have peace? When will my son have peace? Since he was born, his life has been from one fight to another. God, what is happening? Ginika Melo.
Mama, stop. This will be settled. If I had known, I wouldn't have said anything. He wouldn't have known.
Even if he knows later, he will still fight. Is my son the only legitimate son in this village? Is he even illegitimate? Or is it because I'm keeping quiet?
Mama, how do you mean?
Since I gave birth to him, it's been from one suffering to another. I was still in the hospital when my mother died. Since then, I've not had rest of mind.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. Mama, why don't you go and talk to Chief Ide? Things might go wrong now that they took him there.
I'll go there. Whatever that will happen, let it happen now. It is now or never.
It's okay, Mama.
Please, I'm sorry, Chief. Let me beg you, please. Please.
You are sorry.
Officer, see,
You are sorry. You are sorry now. See what you've cost my wife.
I am going to deal with you, and you will forever regret it.
Father, please. Please, he said he's sorry.
I am
He
sorry.
didn't mean to do
No
it.
way!
I'm
He
sorry.
came to my compound to disrupt my own occasion. Officers, let's go.
Officer, we can
Move it.
Officer, wait, we can settle this thing. Wait.
Hello, car.
Officer,
Follow them.
we can...
No, don't worry. Hello, car. Follow them. Go with them until my wife survives. Then I'll know what to do.
For my brother.
Let it happen. Was it not the one that told us to believe? They have not seen anything yet. I will be here laughing at them like this.
You know what? I was happy when it was happening. Even that was holding him. Now, if they will see that Eloka is a son of trouble.
Akuya,
I heard he called him and told him that after the coronation, he's going to settle everything. Before you know it, the trouble was...
Osu, Akuya, Osu, Glad. What is it?
There is another fire on the mountain.
What have we not seen or heard? What again happened?
Chief Ide and Chief Onyuke called police for Iluka.
Jenny,
I told you.
I thought they said he was a good boy. That we are the one humiliating him.
Yes.
Hey!
That is not the only thing. Ide's wife snubbed as she wanted to attack Iluka. She has been rushed to the hospital.
Let that woman not die, you. She was just recovering from one ailment. If she dies,
I told you, I will be here laughing at them.
No, that is not possible. They killed my mother. My own mother. I am not going to spare his life, nor his mother's life. It's not possible in this world.
Calm down.
I will kill everyone. Nah, where that guy did like this? Now where that guy did like because as I did like this, my tempo they high. I need to be somebody in fact. I need to be somebody in fact now.
All you need to do now is that go home, inform your father. Leave this guy for us now. Nah, happen like that. Mother, this guy got what's a nan. Who goes?
I know the story. I need to make somebody in fact here. I will fuck him up. I will tell him that money has no shame. Where are the messenger? One day, I need to make somebody in fact like this.
Go show them.
I'm sorry, Mama. It wasn't my fault. Things were too heavy for me.
Liar. You're a liar. It was because you saw money. Listen, if anything happens to my son, I will never forgive you. Anyway, it will all end today.
Elizabeth, what's the problem?
Chief, please. Have pity on my son, Iluka.
Your son? Oh, so that boy is your son?
Yes. I don't know why things are happening this way. I tried to stop him from having an affair with Anita here. Now see what it has cost.
Oh, I didn't know he is your son. Let's go in. Only that my wife was affected badly in the whole of these troubles. Let's go in. Anita, tell your dad that I want to see him now. And then you call your husband to find out how my wife is faring.
My God, I am not happy. God, please help me in this. Let them release my man. In a way, I'm happy. Because Anita is no longer on my way. Even with the fight, Eloka will see clearly now. But my man, God please.
Where is that witch?
She went out. What's the meaning of this?
Oh. So you think I pulled over with a baby trolley, yeah?
No.
No, this looks like a water gun, right? You think I'm joking? I'm Emuria. Now, where is that witch for the last time?
She went out, I'm not lying.
You think I'm joking? I'm Emuria. You think I'm joking? Okay, we will see to that. Search everywhere now! Search everywhere! I'm Emuria. You're going to die today. What is that? I'm Emuria.
Listen, you have to go now. Eh? Obika's mother is dead. He's looking for Eloka's mother to kill. Run for your life. Search! I'm Emuria. Where is she? Hey, where is she?
Okay, that's so.
I will catch her.
Someone is going to die.
I'm Emuria.
Someone is going to die with my mother today. Where is she?
I'm Emuria.
Where's that overripe plantain?
Where is she? I don't know. Oh, she must die today. I'm Emuria. Let's go. Boy, my boss. Let's go. I have work.
Elizabeth, what are you telling me?
Yes, Chief. I was afraid. That's why I didn't want to tell anyone. Not even my son. I know you will take him from me.
You mean Eloka is my son?
Yes. You remember how it happened then, when we met for the first time?
Incredible. Oh, can't believe this.
Igwe, please. I don't want to lose my son. I have no option but to confess to save him. Please.
That's all right. Get up, please.
What is chasing you?
Papa, we have to run back.
Go, what is chasing? How can I start running?
There's trouble.
Trouble where?
Obika just came with some guys to Eloka's house. It's gone.
Gone? Hey!
Yes.
Has it gotten to that extent?
Papa, there's big trouble. Obika's mother is dead.
Hey! Our Lolo! Hey! Oh my God! What is happening?
Papa, we have to go and hide. Because the way Obika is feeling now, he will hurt anybody he comes across.
Hey!
Yes, Papa, he feels Eloka is responsible for his mother's death. Papa, please, we need to go and hide. He actually came to the house to kill Eloka's mother. But luckily for her, she went to the palace. Papa, please,
let's go.
I know my son will not be happy with me. But I have to save his life.
Elizabeth.
Igwe.
Why would you have kept this away from me all these years? It's too bad. You've just wasn't things for me.
Oh, you witch.
Here you are.
Stop it! I said stop it. No, father, I will not stop. His son killed my mother. You said what? I said stop it.
Stop. What did he just say?
My mother is dead. She died on her way to the hospital. She couldn't make it.
Dikeh, stop it! I said stop it!
This is not the end of it. I'm coming for your son, and I'm coming for you. I will kill everyone.
Get myself into. Okay.
Someone must die. Someone must die today. That boy and his mother must go down below the ground.
Dikeh, you have to take it easy, please.
Take what easy? Take what easy? He killed my own mother, and you're asking me to take it easy. That boy has to go down.
You can't kill your own brother. What is wrong with you? We have to look for a way to settle this. I mean, who would have believed that you have been fighting your own brother? His mother just came here to tell the king that Eluka is his son. I think they had an affair some years ago.
What? You're joking, right? Oh. This is hard to believe. But Chief, you have to pull yourself together. Chief, please, be strong.
Go!
What is wrong with you? Obika!
Dad, what did I just hear? What did this witch here come to tell you? I'm talking to you, Dad.
Obika, your father is not in a good state. You need to take things easy. You sort these things out.
Sort what out? Sort what out? No, I'm asking you, sort what out, Chief? This witch here came here to tell my father that that bastard boy Eluka is his son. Chief, the headline is wavy, right? You shocked now.
I've tried to hide this all these years, but I can no longer do that anymore. Eluka is your father's son. Please, let's end it now.
Over my dead body. That bastard can never be my brother. Else, I will kill you and kill him. Starting now.
Chimo!
What am I hearing? Move your ass out of here. Your plans will not work. Never work. Boys, this is the woman. Kill her for me.
No, please. You injure her, please. What any problem? Please.
Are you mad? Ibumogo. Do you know what this witch came to tell my father? She said that Eluka, that bumfool, is my brother.
Chineke, you said what?
So now you know. So she deserves to die. Get her up. Take a seat.
I did not do anything to you.
Make sure you cut off her neck.
I did not do anything to you. I did not do anything to you. I did not do anything to you.
Mama, we don't hear you. Go reason your matter later. Come they go.
Guy, wait you won't reason. So before we can't tell me to kill this woman, I go buy her.
Nah, don't they tell me that. This woman
She's not the problem. She's not the problem, please.
Let
me take her home.
Nah, make this woman dey go.
Mama,
Nah,
let me take you home.
Feed this woman now. Feed this woman. Sisi, make I tell you, this woman no be our problem. Now that guy be our problem. If I get that guy, one thing I catch you.
Guy, this woman feel born you. Why they do like this?
You born me. Nah, me I go. I understand you.
Now, Chief. Can you be lenient enough to tell me the police station that bastard is in?
Obika, take it easy. You just lost your mother. Do you want to lose your father also? Look at him. He was struck by 2 bad news. Why not calm down?
Chief, why are you sounding like you don't know the best way for me to take a chill pill? I can only take a chill pill drinking champagne when I know that bastard is down 6 feet below the ground. That's the only way you see me chilling. Else, I won't stop fighting. Now, will you tell me or not? Okay. I see. I'll find out myself. I will find out myself.
There's trouble. My chief, you are the great Iroko. You have fought and won so many battles. You can't let these 2 sad news break you down. Your sons need you now. Even the community needs you too.
Chief, are you okay? My chief, tell me. Just tell me. Why will I be facing this type of challenge now that I want to mount the throne of my forefathers? Just tell me. God, if I am not the right person to mount this throne, if this throne is not for me, why not let this cup pass over me?
No, Chief. Don't say that. Please don't say that.
Chief, are you okay?
My chief,
you will do me a favor. Call the police station now. Tell them to release that boy. Tell them that I said they should release Eloka. He needs to stay away from this village. Else, Obika will hurt him.
I will do that now. I will do it right away.
If you marry a waka about, if you marry a waka about, oh, now so trouble, trouble, no trouble, so trouble. Hey.
Brother, this is when you are singing trouble. What happened?
I remember when my papa used to sing this song. There is trouble in the land.
How? What happened?
Hey! There is trouble in the land that I am even afraid of myself. I said, they are not going to end the matter with my head.
Tell me now, what happened?
One, Obika's mother is dead.
How managed? Hey!
2, Eloka is in the police station again.
How managed? What happened?
You know they were having issues. They dragged Eloka to the palace. The woman attacked Eloka. She forgot that she's having problem, that she's not too strong. On attacking Eloka, she slumped.
Hey!
We rushed her to the hospital. She died there.
She died?
I'm telling you. She died though.
Yeah. Hey. Chai.
Trouble. Is it trouble? Is he angry? Angry is understatement. As I'm talking to you now, he wants to kill Eloka.
Hey.
He wants to kill. He nearly killed Eloka's mother. Yeah. He wants to kill Eloka's mother. If not that we were there. So I had to pretend that I want to carry the woman to her house.
I've been warning you, You have to be careful, though. I don't want to lose you.
Hey! I'm another problem. The latest news now is that Eloka's mother confessed to Chief Idejimba.
That what happened?
That Eloka is Chief Idejimba's son.
Hey! Are you serious?
I'm telling you. Hey. Remember that Papa used to tell us that about Chief Idejimba that time with Mama Eloka.
Yes.
That they used to mingle, they used to do village love that time.
Chai.
It's true. It's true. Ah, that's trouble.
I hope Obika is not aware.
Obika is aware, but Eloka is not aware yet.
Hey!
Obika is simply aware. But Eloka, come and knock on the police station. He's not aware. I wonder what will happen by the time Eloka will come back and notice this thing.
Total war.
Total war! Total war! So, I had to... Nadi.
Hey!
Choma Jumwa.
Better be careful. I've been warning you.
So trouble. Now trouble. So trouble.
Dad, please talk to me. Since you walked into this compound, you've been like you've not said anything. Please say something.
Ma.
Dad.
There is trouble. Chief Ide's wife is dead.
What? I thought she has recovered.
That's all we all thought. Until she attempted to hit Eluka when he was brought to the palace. And she slumped. And Eluka has now been taken to the police station.
Hey! Trouble. That this is real trouble. Because Obika will not take this easy with him.
Are you telling me? But that's not what is my problem. My problem now is that Nnema has confessed to Ide that Eluka is his son.
But what did you say? How can that be true?
My daughter, it is possible. We all knew some time ago that they had something. But my problem is why she left this one for all these years without saying it.
Dad, Chief has to verify this. Because that woman could be telling lies.
No. She cannot tell lie in a big case like this now. Chief knows that they had something intimate. He knows. That is the reason why he has had a soft spot for Eluka earlier. He has been treating his case, you know.
Hey. Real wahala, real trouble. Dad, I hope sister is not aware of this. Because she'll be regretting marrying Obika now.
My daughter, your sister is aware. I don't even know what to think again. Eluka has been released by Chief. He has been told to move out of the village. That he's going to invest heavily, financially in his trade. Hey. That he doesn't want him around the village again. Trouble.
God. Mama, why would you do a thing like this to me?
Please forgive me. It was because I don't want him to take you away from me. I don't want to be lonely.
Despite all the suffering I've been through, I have a father, yet you allow me grow up like this in suffering when I had somebody that who could have helped me become somebody in life, and you kept this away from me?
It's not late. God knows why it happened this way. Biko, if I had exposed you before now, Angelina would have killed you, who knows? But now she's out of your way. You have to go back to your father. We have to do what Chief wants you to do.
I won't run away from that boy. I'm his senior.
You're not running away from him. Biko, do this for the sake of your life and Chief's life. He has promised to set you up. Hey, look, if you have money, you will have a say. Then you can stand him. He came along today with some rough-looking guys. They had guns. Who knows what would have happened if he had caught you? He who fights and runs away lives to fight another day. Biko.
Mama, are you saying I won't be able to see him again?
No, you will see him. He said once you leave, he will find a way to see you wherever you are. He will even reach you on phone. Biko.
So that way, Papa, you will mem this thing, Mama, you will mem this thing. You will mem this thing.
Please, sir. You need to eat something.
Lucy, I'm okay. I need to think.
Sir, you've been thinking. Your son needs you alive. We all need you. Please, don't do this to yourself.
Thank you.
Why is that foolish? You are a foolish man. You see that your illegitimate son? I will kill him.
Lucy, call Anita for me.
Stupid. Foolish man. You can never keep your dick at a place. Never.
Anita, take him to his room.
No. I am not done talking. Allow me to talk to this man. I am going to squeeze him. Just like that. I will squeeze him. When I'm done with him. Nonsense. You cannot keep your dick at a place. Never. You know what to do. This is not the end. I'm coming back for you. I'm coming back.
God.
Nonsense.
God.
Hey! Never know
God has done it, Mama.
It's
my car. Mama. Ifoma Batagobai. God has done it.
So you are this handsome?
I'm like, I'm